So Umidigi announced the A13 Pro 5G a few days ago. It is the latest smartphone from Umidigi, and in my opinion, it is one of the best budget 5G devices you can get in 2022. Okay, so the device is available in 3 different colors. There's a gold color, shining blue color, and dazzling black. At the back of the device, there's a module that houses 3 cameras, an infrared thermometer, and a flash. On the right side, there is a power button and volume keys. Embedded on the power button is a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, there is a customizable key which I think might be used to launch the thermometer, and there's a SIM slot. The phone has a hole punch display which I think is very nice. Only few Umidigi devices have hole punch displays, and they include the Umidigi Bison GT2 series, the Umidigi Bison GT, the Umidigi A13 Pro Max, and the Umidigi F2. In terms of specs, the phone has a 6.5-inch hole punch display with a 90Hz refresh rate. This is amazing, guys. Okay, I wasn't expecting Umidigi to do this. The F3 5G's display is, I think, 60Hz, so the A13 Pro 5G has a better display than the F3 5G, and the F3 5G's display is just HD+. The phone utilizes 8GB RAM, and it has a 128GB onboard storage, which could be expanded up to 256GB using an SD card. It is powered by the Dimensity 700, just like the F3 5G. It has triple rear cameras as mentioned earlier, a 48MP main camera, a 16MP ultra wide camera, and a 5MP macro lens. The hole punch houses a 24MP camera for selfies. The phone is backed up by a 5150mAh battery, and it supports 18 watts fast charging. Very good. Other features includes NFC, Bluetooth 5.2. Like I mentioned earlier, it has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. It supports AI face unlock. There's GPS, etc. The device is still very new, so I do not know when it will be available in my country, but I think it's available on some online stores currently. You can do your own research. Okay, what do you think about this new device from Umidigi, the Umidigi A13 Pro 5G? Make sure to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.